Okay. Vocabulary close. Right. So vocabulary close, we'll start with that. Question 1. One widely held theory about the purpose of dreams is that they help you store important memories and things you've learned and sought through complicated thoughts and feelings. Okay? So what is it? What does widely mean here? Only 4 people. Okay. Thanks, Ian, Yancy, Subiksha, Delia, Tommy, Niall. 6. That's 6. Brinda, thanks. Just type in the letter, Niall. Okay. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So wide, because of the word wide, it's broad, right? Wide and broad, they're similar in meaning. Widely held theory, broadly held. Okay, so what exactly does widely and broadly held mean? It means general, right? Generally, or one commonly, right? One generally held theory or commonly held theory. Okay. Of course, narrow is the opposite of widely, so that's out, of course, right? But process of elimination. I think it's okay. This is quite simple. And all of you have got correct. Those 7 of you who have responded. Next question, number 2. The purpose of dreams. I think this should be quite okay also. Purpose of dreams. Purpose, what is the purpose of dreams? Help you store important memories and things you've learned and sought through complicated. Wow, everybody has got the same answer. For those of you who have. Okay, thank you. Brian, Yancy, Galen, Delia, Shabiksha, Niall, Tommy, Ian, Brinda, Tongyi, Andre. 11 of you. Great. Good number so early. The answer is C. Okay. Point of dreams is that they help you store important memories. Okay, the purpose of dreams, the point of dreams. Now, what about goal? Why is goal not so good? In a sense, goal is quite close to purpose, right? What's your purpose? What's your goal? Right? But purpose is like more like the intent. A goal is like a destination that you aim for, right? You aim for something. Purpose is something that you use. They use it for this purpose, right? Goal is something that you aim for. Issue is something like point, okay? But it is more for like general things and problems, issue, problem, okay? And plan, of course, is something that you prepare in advance, okay? Course of action that you prepare in advance to execute. But dreams are not plans, right? They're unplanned, cannot control it. Okay, so the point of dreams. Okay. Next one. What is number 3? If you learn new information and sleep on it, you'll be able to recall it better. Than if asked to remember that information. without the assistance of sleep. Okay, I think this one, again, everybody, no problem. Okay, Brian, Subiksha, Delia, Tongyi, Ian, thank you. Niall, Yancy, Tommy, Brenda, Andre, thank you. Any more? There are 10, 10, and 5, 4, 3, 2. Thank you, Crystal. 11 that matches the record. 1. So, it's right. Recall is to remember. Okay, so you have it here, right? Be able to recall it better than if asked to remember without the assistance of sleep. Okay, so you can see that remember and recall, they are same. So sometimes you have a hint in that sentence. Of course, most of you, I mean, all of you know what recall is. It is really like remember, right? To recall. Okay, assistance. What is the meaning of assistance? Whoa, right? Assistance, without the assistance of sleep. Assistance of sleep. All of you are, again, you have got the same answers. And how many of you are there? Brian, Delia, Subiksha, Galen, Tommy, thank you. Yancy, Niall, Thong Yi, Brenda, Ian, thank you. Andre. Still the 11. So there are still 3 of you who are holding back, holding back. Crystal, great, broke the record, 12. 12 of you. Of course, it is the help. Well, it's quite straightforward today, huh? No problem at all. Number 5. Productively. Dreams that help you deal productively with emotions, memories, and other information. Wow, that's fast coming in, the answers. Brian, Niall, Delia, NC, Brenda, thank you. Tongyi, Tommy, Ian, Galen, right? There's 9 of you. Galen, you just type the letter, right? Don't have to type in the whole word. 5, 4, 3, 2, and absolutely correct. So all those of you who have responded, it is D, constructively, productively, constructively. So productively means you contribute to it, right? It has some contribution. And constructive is the same thing. When you're constructive, you're helping to construct something. Oh, there are some people coming in. 4. Hey, Yashika has gone out again. 3 more persons. 3 more persons. And okay. These are the 3 more persons, huh? Who are the 3 more? Nanil. Hi, Nanil. Cassidy. Nanil and Cassidy. Okay. Thank you for coming in, Nanil and Cassidy. Let's see now. Yeah. Anybody else were new? Nobody, right? Okay, let me just add your names to the list. Yes, okay. Where's Yashika? Yashika, are you here? Yes or no? Yashika, are you here? Yashika, she's gone out again. Are you here, Yashika? No. Okay. Yashika seems to be disappearing. Okay. Right, so these are the answers, B, C, D, B, D, right, for the benefit of those who be reviewing this. Yeah, so we can review this after the lesson. That will be in the the website, 88 website. Okay, let's get ready for the next part of today's lesson, which is grammar cloze. Grammar cloze. So number 6 and 7, what are their answers? 6 and 7. Just type in a comma, right, between the two answers you could do. What is 6 and 7 here? Pirates and criminals who attacked ships at sea. The most famous pirates sailed the seas from the late 1500s to the early 1800s. Common symbol of piracy, what the Jolly Roger, a black flag, what a white skull, crossbones. 6 and 7. Number 6 and number 7, right? So the answers, Yancy, thank you. Tong Yi, thank you. Brian, you haven't given your answer yet, or you have? No.
Yes.
Yancy, Tong Yi.
It's on top.
Oh, Brian, good, thank you. Tommy, 4 of you. What about the rest? Jolly Roger. What is a Jolly Roger, guys? Anybody can tell me what a Jolly Roger is? The answer is there actually in the passage. Yes, Tommy, what is it?
A black flag with a white skull and crossbones.
Yeah, that's right. Can you see the dash here? Okay. Oops. There's a dash. Shows that Jolly Roger, this is describing the Jolly Roger, the black flag. Okay. So the answer is already, you see, with, okay, piracy was, and then it is with a white, okay, with a white skull and crossbones. So I normally recommend that candidates, okay, you guys write the answer below. So when you check, it is easier for you rather than you look at the letter and then you go back up to the table to check what the word is. Okay, but of course, you must make sure that you enter the correct letter. So was is F, all right? So F is gone, and with is D. Oh, where's D here? Okay, and D is gone. Okay, so F and D, they're gone, right? Next, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, all 4. F is gone, D is gone. So 8, 9, 10, and 11. What is 8, 9, 10, and 11? Yep, thank you, Brian and Galen. And Brian, Galen, and Yancy. Yes, 3 of you. Any more people? Oh, Nabil has posted a picture of a Jolly Roger. You know why I call it Jolly? Because you know, a skull, okay, the mouth, it is always like the teeth is like smiling, right? So it's jolly all the time. Okay. So thank you, Brian, Galen, Yancy, Tongi, Tommy, Delia, Ian. Anybody else? Delia, you're missing one, right? You're missing the